Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you something that probably you don't know, that you can do something with your electric shaving machine, electric shaving machine from Philips brand. So this is not a sponsored video. So I had this shaving machine nearly 2 years. No complaints, very good product. There's a few caveats and stuff that I want to talk about in today's video. Some things that probably I think is going to be much better if they change in the future. So I'm talking about the heads here. You know that you have to replace the heads, the blazers, or how do you call it, after 2 years. But the problem is that there are 3 individuals. So as you can see, 3. So if you lose one, you're gone. I wish this was like a one piece. So basically you remove it, as you can see, and you attach it. You touch it and you attach it again. Pretty simple. Well, as you can see, and now this is very easy. I wish this part was just one piece. Every 2 years you have to change the blades. Also the cleaning, it's not very good as well. When you try to remove this heads here, when you open this, there's a lot of dirt there. Even if you put this under the tap, under the water, it's not cleaning. This is not clean properly. This is a big problem, I believe. Many people they put this under the water, and you think that this is okay, it's clean, but it's not. Actually, there's a lot of dirt, a lot of hair that is inside, and I wish Philips comes with better idea to clean this. I know that I have to change this every 2 years, but end of the day, there's a lot of stuff going in, and this is one of the problems I have with this shaving machine. But overall, this is very good. I didn't have any complaints. I used this for nearly 2 years. The using time is around 30 minutes, 40 minutes, depends how much you can use this shaving machine. I use it maybe twice in a week. But overall, it's a very good product. And something that I want to say is that, let's say you travel, I don't know if your model supports that, but you can lock this shaving machine if you put this in your luggage. So accidentally, let's say this, accidentally you charge it, you go on holiday, and it's on because it's in the luggage and it's on. So there's a locking mechanism, locking option that you can do. I will show you how to do that. So press the power button for 3 seconds. And then you're gonna see a padlock on the screen. I'm gonna show you right now. So there's a padlock. There's a padlock on the screen. So now this is on. So accidentally, if this is in your luggage, and now I press the button, there's a padlock, so this is locked now. So this is very, very good, very thoughtful idea. Also check if your Philips AquaTouch support this. I think most of the models, they have this option. Also, some of the AquaTouch models, they have a display like this one. Also, they're gonna remind you when to change the blades, which this is very thoughtful. And I'm gonna put the model on the screen about this model, about this AquaTouch. Like I mentioned, I bought it 2 years ago. How to disable this option right now? As you can see, this is, I try to press, doesn't do anything. Same thing, just press the power button for 3 seconds. And voila, now the padlock is off, so you can use your electric shaving machine. But overall, this is a very good buy. Probably not gonna find this model. I'm gonna try to find a link, put it in the descriptions down below. Very good product. Holidays are coming now, Black Friday, Christmas, New Year, so there's gonna be a lot of products Definitely I recommend one of the models, some of the models about Philips products. This is my third machine already. I enjoy their products. Again, this is not a sponsored video. Philips doesn't have a clue that I'm making this video, but yeah, very good product. So there you have it, guys. This is the AquaTouch by Philips. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.